Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Adobe Premiere Pro. We will explore the distinct features of each platform, helping you understand their ideal applications. Our goal is to clarify which tool aligns best with your video editing aspirations, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional. We will delve into their user interfaces, capabilities, and the types of projects they are best suited for, ensuring you make an informed decision for your creative endeavors. Canva shines for its incredible ease of use, making video creation accessible to everyone. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can quickly assemble compelling videos. It offers thousands of pre-designed templates, stock footage, and music, perfect for social media posts, short advertisements, or simple presentations. You can literally create a polished video in just a few minutes, even with zero prior editing experience, making it a fantastic choice for rapid content generation. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard for professional video editing, offering unparalleled control and precision. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for intricate tasks like advanced color grading, multi-camera editing, and sophisticated motion graphics. This powerful software is the go-to choice for crafting feature films, documentaries, complex commercials, and high-quality productions where every detail matters. It empowers editors to bring their most ambitious creative visions to life with professional-grade results. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your specific needs and project goals. Choose Canva if you prioritize speed, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness for quick social media content or basic videos. Opt for Adobe Premiere Pro when you require professional-grade features, extensive control, and the highest quality output for complex, high-stakes productions. Consider your skill level, the complexity of your project, and your desired final quality to make the best choice for your video editing journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.